Hello guys, and welcome to this video where I'm going to be showing you how to use a Spanish voice on 11labs. So the first thing you have to do is to go to 11labs.io and click on the sidebar menu, choose the voices option and scroll down to the language pack. Then you have to scroll and choose the Spanish pack here. Okay, it's on the next page. Yes, click on this Spanish um pack here and it should bring you to a page similar to this. Now at this point you can sample each voice to make sure they match what you need. So once you find a voice that gives you what you need, all you have to do is click on the add to my voices section and the voices will be automatically added to my voices section here, and you can edit them with your projects from this place. So if this video has been helpful in any way, please consider leaving a comment below. Do have a great day.